Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off Samsung Galaxy A52. So let's get started. All you have to do is just to hold down two buttons, the power button and volume down button. Just like that. I'll show you power down button and volume down button. As you can see, now this menu has appeared. All you have to do just to tap on power off and then click on it again. And that's how you turn off Samsung Galaxy A52. So, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.